Oh my god! Let's open Kayou. The Plants vs. Zombies Volume 10 they released. From the cover, we can tell it's a spring festival theme. It's the year of the horse. This set is still divided into 10 rarities. Common cards are our cards. The highest rarity is GPS Stars. And there are still exchange cards. Before officially opening it, let me share with you the PR cards of this set. There are 3, which are Spring Festival themed. I personally like this one of the pumpkins. Does it look like the door god on the Spring Festival couplets? I hope these 3 boxes can give me a GPS card. Not to mention GPS Star. It's not too much to ask for a GPS card. I calculated. I hope Balbo will be lucky this time. But let's take a look at the illustrated book that comes with it. This is the highest tier card. This time, it's all about the Spring Festival theme. I think these cards look good just by looking at them. Are quite nice in the picture book. A box still has 30 packs. Let's open 6 packs. Here. Let's start with the first group. The first one is the senior card this time. This time, the senior cards look very beautiful. It's shiny and also has this detailed print. The card's surface. It is full of the Spring Festival atmosphere. And you can also guess the Chinese character puzzles. Blade out. It's a Chinese character. I don't know if you can guess it. It doesn't matter if you can't guess. The back of the card has the answer, which is very considerate. And this card back is also a Spring Festival theme with a big red lantern. This common card also has a strong New Year flavor. This gem merchant pomegranate has a big gold ingot in his pocket. It means wealth. Hey, look at the logo of the common card cup. It's a big copper coin. Hey, hey. Pea-shooter is also dressed up happily this time. Oh, there's a wand character on the big rattle he's holding. Hey, did you notice that? The previous one is a Fu character, right? This time's common cards are all words of blessings. Not bad, not bad. Our zombies are also stylish this time. The clothes he's wearing look quite nice. He holds an orange. Wish me luck. Oh, here it is. The first SSR is a gunpowder demon. It's a super huge zombie. He is carrying a fireworks tube. Set off fireworks. Look at this SSR. The prints next to it are all related to the New Year theme. There are firecrackers, which is very festive. I like it. Yes. Look, the decoration on the back of this SSR card is different. This time, the back of the card is also quite thoughtful. Oh, the second SSR is a new plant. The Pew Pew fish vine is also quite cute. It also has a Chinese knot decoration. The lantern he holds has the word. A word related to the horse. This SSR is also well designed. After opening this setting, I feel like the New Year's atmosphere is bursting. Here, let's continue with the second set. Let's see if we can get some rare cards. It's really a card position. This time, the R card. Haha, riding this little horse. Look carefully, it says money soon on the card cup. Fourth, it's very practical. It's a very beautiful blessing. The print on the background is very beautiful. Look, It also has this kaleidoscope effect. The visual effect is very good. The card is also golden and shiny. Nice! The more card gave me the most wanted greedy dragon grass. It's so cute. It's feasting here, on the table of the New Year's Eve dinner. Look, the background is all about the New Year's Eve dinner. Oh, it looks very festive, and the overall style of continues the comic style of the previous few bullets, which is very cool. The back of the card is in the style of the Spring Festival. Hey, there is an SSR of crazy fireworks flowers again. There are many new partners this time, which are all related to the Spring Festival. Hey, look, he is holding a character of Kai this time, which are all related to the word ma. I wonder if you can form. How many words related to the word horse? This time's cards are really interactive. You can form words and guess riddles. Oh, here comes an SSR of the God of Wealth zombie. It brings wealth and wisdom. Haha, it's so funny. Oh, the cute little sunflower is here this time, with 2 small flower buds. So cute. There should be a Mr. card. There should be another one of her. And let's continue to open it. Oh, this Kayou, wearing a little tiger hat. Is it so cute? Oh, what a cute tiger-headed mushroom. It's also a plant that I particularly like. It also wears a small red cape. How cute it is! I really like this one. Hey, Mr. Bai Mao is here. It's also a dragon grass. We are so destined to meet the dragon grass this time. It's still about food. He is indeed a big foodie. I really like Moss card. It's very fresh and cute. It's so soothing to see plants at the Spring Festival Fair. Wow, this card back is also very Chinese style. It's made in the style of paper cutting. I really like it. And it looks like it can be assembled. Wow, this lion dancing zombie is quite cool. This big lion head. Hey, here comes the second crazy fireworks flower. Oh, we've seen it before. It's a very cool plant. With a mischievous expression. What are you going to scare with these guns? Hey, we even got a ZR card. This box is lucky. And this ZR is so shiny. So beautiful. Hey, did you notice that? This time, there are not only zombies in ZR, but also plants. Nice. It's the Chinese New Year. Family reunion. Our plants and zombies are also in the same frame. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's take a look at the contents of this box. It's still very good. The highest card position is a very nice ZR card. And then, an R card. And a Mr. And 2 cards. Then there are 2 SSR cards. Each one is very beautiful. And there are no duplicates. This box is quite good. Okay. I wish to get a GPS card from the remaining 2 boxes. In addition, let's speed up. Let me check the back of the card. Let me pick out the card positions for you. Oh, this ornament. Is the SSR card back? Oh, there are many SSR cards in this set. We've drawn several SSR cards. Oh, here it is. This mister is a new one. Because it's a firegrass. Later. Okay. Let's show the positions of this box. This time, the SSers are 10. One more than the previous box, because we have one less ZR card position. There is an SSR of the greedy dragon grass. I'm very satisfied. I especially like this little cutie. And there is also a very cute twin rabbit. This tiger head mushroom is a duplicate. And to new was snake grasses. Then there are the zombie cards. There is a very interesting money tree zombie. I don't know why, but I want to plant one. Ha ha ha. The swordsman is also an old friend. And the thief zombie. And a little zombie riding a Nyan beast. It's quite impressive. I got 2 of them. Then there are her cards. Yes, I hope they rain not duplicates. Let's see the first one. Oh, no duplicates. It's a new plant. It's a banana dancer. We'll dance for everyone at the New Year's dance. It's quite good. What about this one? Hey, this is also a new god of wealth zombie. That's great. He brings money to everyone. Next is a new mister. The card back should be the fire pea shooter, which is one of my favorite plants. Oh, sure enough. Wow, I really like this card's drawings. What a majestic fire cactus. And the background. And the fireworks, which is full of the New Year's flavor. The last one is R. Let's take a look. Wow, the cute star fruit. Wow, the horse he rides is a unicorn. He is indeed our little cutie. The blessing he sent us is to be happy immediately. It's a very good blessing. Our last hope is pinned on this box. Whether we can get this GPS depends on this box. Come on! Oh, guys. Our card is out. Haha. I don't know if there will be both R. The possibilities of both R and GPS existing. But from my understanding of this series, I don't think so. It would be best if there was another ZR card. No. Oh, this is a baby. Bao Bao's luck has started to decline again. Fifth. Oh, wait a minute. We send. Oh, no. What? It's AGPS under the condition of R. It's a black back. Well, it has already explained everything. At least it's a new card that hasn't been released. It should be GPS. I'm so happy. It's a pleasant surprise. I thought it was over. Ha ha ha. Okay. I've been here before. We still have 10 SSRs this time, because the GPS takes up a Murdoch card position. Let's take a look. This is the third box. Basically, they are all friends who have appeared before. Hey, then for the wish not to repeat. Hey, no duplicates. This peanut shooter is so cute. With 2 little braids. This one. Hey, here comes our old friend Kayou. Is playing the drums here. Then there's R. Oh, here it comes. Here comes our high nuts. Ha! This sharp look, and a red scarf around his neck. Isn't it too heavy? Look, his horse is sweating. The meaning of the high sunflower is also very good. It means promotion. Wow! Finally, it comes to my wishful card, GPS. GPS. We also got it by chance. Let's take a look. It's the treasure pocket basket. Look at his pocket. It seems to be filled, full of gold and silver treasures. It's very good. And you can see the words Zhao Kaijin though written on it. I like this one. Let's take a look at this. The craftsmanship is also very good. There is large area of gilding. And the color is also very bright. And it corresponds to the theme of the Spring Festival. There are many elements of the Spring Festival. I like it very much. Okay, today's Plants vs. Zombies 10th installment. I'll share it with you.